Adobe's Photoshop Elements is a very powerful imaging, editing, and organizing program. It is comprised of two parts. The organizer, which as the name implies, is used for organizing and keeping track of your images, and the editor, which is used for enhancing your images. I'm going to just quickly demonstrate one of the features within the organizer for helping you to better organize your images, and especially to help you search for a specific image later when you need to find a specific image or sets of images. The key way you can do that within the organizer is to use a feature called keyword tags. As you can see within the organizer here, we have thumbnails or small miniature versions of a number of images that I have imported into the organizer. Importing just means that I have them visible as small thumbnails. The images have not been moved to any different location on my hard drive. They're still in the same place. They're just accessible and viewable from the organizer. On the bottom right corner is a section marked keyword tags here. If you've taken photos many years ago and you actually used to print photos like many of us did, photos that we printed out on photo paper, we might have turned the photo over and written information on the back about the photo. We might have written date and location and information about who was in the photo. If you took 35mm slides, had them mounted in cardboard mounts, you might have even written on the cardboard mount information about the image itself. Again, it was a way to label or mark the photo so that we knew who or what was in the photo when it was taken and where it was taken. We can apply that same concept here in the digital world on our computers with images by using this concept of a keyword tag, which is a way of marking or labeling or tagging our photos with important keywords or phrases. As you can see, there's some keywords already listed in the organizer here relative to some of the other images. Let's say I have an image here. This looks like it could be something edible, possibly pizza. And let's say I wanted to label this with a useful tag. With the whole idea behind the tags can then be used to help easily search for an image later that I might want to find. So let me label this by applying a keyword tag. So in the keyword tags, you can have a hierarchy. You can first create a category, and let's do that. Let's create a category called food. And you can create add a little icon which represents that category. So let's call this the pink box category. It's kind of a strange concept here, but we'll call this category food. And what I want to do is within that category of food, I want to create a new tag, a new label. And see, it shows my food category because I had that selected. And let's call this new tag or label pizza. Click OK. So you can see I have a category of food. Within that, I have a pizza label. And you can see here, let's change the, there's a new search here, results. We'll just leave it. I was going to change the icon. We'll just leave this icon with nothing here at this point in time. The way to apply the most important part here is applying the keyword tag to a specific photo. And it's very easy just using a drag and drop method. I come over to the pizza keyword tag here, left click on it, and I can then drag onto the pizza. As you can see here, we have a new little icon showing at below the image here. When I point to it, it says keyword tag attached pizza. So I know my keyword tag has been applied automatically to this. The important thing in Photoshop Elements is you need to save the keyword tags, which when they get saved into each individual JPEG or image file. So that's a secondary step we'll show in another tutorial. The important thing and the real power behind keyword tags is that now if I want to search, let's say I come back 2 years later and I remember I had this awesome photo of pizza that I wanted to use in, let's say, a PowerPoint presentation to teach about how to bake pizza. So in order to quickly find that image, I would come over to my keyword tags and I would find the category food and I see, well, yes, awesome, I have a tag marked pizza here. If I just click to the left of the pizza icon here, or keyword tag, you'll see it turns into a little pair of binoculars searching for any images with that keyword tag applied. Notice in my browsing area on the left here, I now only have a single image that's displayed. That is the only image that I applied the keyword tag of pizza to. So you can see this can be used as a powerful means to label images such that later we can come back and quickly and easily find images. You can apply multiple keyword tags to an individual image. You can search on multiple tags by clicking on the little check boxes here to the left of each tag. So again, it represents an amazing amount of power to quickly and easily label and later find images within the Adobe Photoshop Elements Organizer. Thanks, and I hope that was useful.